Hello everyone, welcome to my channel that is StatSlay. Today we are going to look at how to calculate chi-square. So this is the sample question of calculating chi-square at 0.05 level of significance. Usually in the question itself they give us grand total value, but there is no mention of grand total. So for calculating grand total we have to add 60 plus 30 gives us 90, 40 plus 70 gives us 110, 60 plus 40 gives us 100, 30 plus 70 again gives us 100. If we add 100 plus 100 gives us 200, and if we add 90 plus 110 again gives us 200. So this is our grand total value. The formula for chi-square is FO minus FE the whole square upon FE, where FO is the observed frequency, that is the actual sum we have got for calculation. Fe is the expected frequency which we have to calculate. If you see in the highlighted part, the expected frequency formula is row frequency into column frequency upon grand total. So for understanding purpose, let's assume 60 as cell A, 30 as B, 40 as C, and 70 as cell D. Starting from cell A, for cell A, the row frequency is 100, the column frequency is 90, the grand total is 200, and we got as 45. For B, cell, the row frequency is 100, the column frequency is 90, and grand total is 200, which we got as 45. For cell C, the row frequency is 100, column frequency is 110 upon grand total, which is 55. For cell D, row frequency is 100, column frequency is 110 upon grand total, that is 200, which we got as 55. We got A for 45, B 45, C 55, D again 55. So this is our calculated expected frequency, and this is our observed frequency. Okay, always keep the chi-square formula in front of you. So the chi-square formula is this: FO minus FE the whole square upon FE. Now we are breaking down the formula and calculating the chi-square. So now I am just calculating this part, which I am highlighting only this part, that is FO minus FE the whole square. So again, for our understanding, assuming this as A, B, C, D cell, and here also A, B, C, D cell. So for cell A, FO, that is observed frequency. For cell A, observed frequency is 60 minus expected frequency, which is 45, the whole square, which gives me 15 the whole square, it is 225. For B, it is 30, observed frequency minus expected frequency 45 upon the whole square minus 15 the whole square. Minus into minus plus, so 225. C is 40, observed frequency minus expected frequency gives me minus 15 the whole square, minus into minus plus, so we got 225. For D, it is 70, observed frequency. Expected frequency is 55, the whole square, 15 the whole square upon 225. So this is our FO minus FE the whole squares values. Okay, now we have to just divide it with FE. Well, this is our formula. If you remember, this is our formula for chi-square. We have already calculated this part. We just have to divide with FE. FE is already given, that is this. assuming this as A, B, C, D. This is our FE value, and this is our FO minus FE, the whole square value. A, B, C, D. For cell A, it is FO minus FE upon F, FO minus FE the whole square upon FE. Okay. FO minus FE the whole square upon FE. That is 225 upon 45, which is 5. For B, it is 225 upon 45. This gives me 5. For C, it is 225 upon 55, gives us 4.09. For cell D, it is 225 upon 55, gives us 4.09. For cell A, we have got 5. For B, it is again 5. For C, it is 4.09. And for D, it is 4.09. We simply have to add this. So our chi-square is 5 plus 5 plus 4.09 plus 4.09. If we add all this, we got 18.18. So this is our calculated chi-square value. Now we have to look at the table value. For a table value, we need to know the degrees of freedom. So the formula for degrees of freedom is number of row minus 1, number of column minus 1. Well, row was male and female, column was brand A and brand B. As there is no space over here, I'm just doing it over here. That is 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 into 1, 1. So this is our degrees of freedom. So for 1 degrees of freedom and at 0.05 level of significance, the chi-square table value is 3.841. 3.841. So our table value is 3.841 and our calculated value is 18.18. So if you see, this is the greater value. The calculated value is greater than the table value. So we reject null hypothesis and accept alternate hypothesis at 0.05 level of significance. Thank you.